Okay, no intro, no nothing. Let's just get started. So we'll be creating a folder, calling it full stack web app. And let's open up our VS Code. Let's drag and drop. And here we have the empty directory to work with. Let's open up the terminal. Make sure that you have Node.js installed on your PC, computer. And initially, you have to initialize Node package manager. Give it the -y to agree with everything, and we'll be able to see the package.json file. This is where all the dependencies as well as the dev dependencies will be stored, and you can add scripts to it. So first and foremost, we have to install the Express package, which is just a framework for Node.js. And notice that the node modules folder is added, which is where all our packages are stored. And in the future, if we plan to persist the data in Git, we will be adding this node modules folder to the .git ignore file because we do not require it inside our Git repository. And yeah, we also need a package with the name of nodemon. We'll be adding it as a dev dependency right here. You can notice that I gave the -d, meaning that it's a dev dependency. So basically what it means is that we do not compulsorily require it for our code to run. We just require Express, and this is NodeMon is simply a tool that so that I don't need to run the node index.js code time and again. So basically, it'll aid us while running the code. And now let's create a folder called index.js. And first and foremost, we have to require the express package. I'll add it to the express variable. We'll be using the require keyword express. And secondly, we have to call the express package or the function, whatever you like to call it. And let's also give a port variable, which we will be using to listen to our server. So we'll be giving it a value of 5,000. And now let's create a get request where inside in our home page, and we'll be passing a callback function with the rec and res parameters. And basically, here we'll be sending that this is a get request to the home page exclamation mark. And finally, we have to listen to the port which we just declared and give it, and you can add a callback function to it to just verify that nothing runs. Let's add console.log, and let's just say that the app is running on localhost, and then give it the port number. I'll be using the variable that I declared. So for that, some JavaScript using the port variable. Notice that I forgot to give the backticks. Instead, I use the uh, what is it called, double quotes. So you have to make it a string literal. And yes, I think we're good to go. Yep. And let's not forget that I need to add a script here for my nodemon to run. Basically, it's a shortcut so that I don't have to type nodemon index.js time and again. So this makes things easier. So let's add nodemon index.js, save it. This should be in JSON format. So, and let's see, let's npm first. Let's clear everything. Look at our code. Everything looks fine. And now let's npm run dev. And we can see that the app is running on port 5000, localhost 5000. Now let's verify it. Let's open up our Chrome and go to localhost 5000, and you can see that the GET request is successful. So let's just look at the network tab. Let's refresh it. You can see the GET request here, and we get the 304 not modified as the default value because I haven't specified it as 200 OK. But basically, this is it. This is the framework, and this is where we will be continuing our project further on. So that's it for episode one. See you on episode two.